Okay, so here's how to install the Adaptive Rigidification codebase on your own computer. See, the first thing you'll need is MATLAB, of course, because the whole codebase is coded in MATLAB. You can have some edition for free if you're a student using your academic email. Then you'll need some C++ compiler. Visual Studio Community Edition comes with MS Build, which should do exactly that. Otherwise, you can have GCC for other systems. You'll need CMake if you want to build some of the dependencies like GP Toolbox. Alec Jacobson's GP Toolbox is a super nice geometry processing library for MATLAB. When it comes to building our volumetric meshes, we use either Tetwild or TetGen, both of which are super great to do this task. And for triangular meshes, we use Triangle. We can now proceed to clone the repository on your own system. Let's start by copying the link on the repository on GitHub, and then we open a terminal in which we can call the git clone function to clone the repository locally. Once this is done, we can open the project folder and open a terminal there. And this terminal will call the git submodel init command that basically clones all of the repositories specified as submodels. At this point, we should be able to run 2D scenes, but if we want to run 3D examples, we'll need to compile some things in GP Toolbox. So let's open the lib GP Toolbox mex folder and let's start building. To do so, we open a terminal and call the function listed on the website that basically use CMake to build the mex files, which are in C++. This can take a few minutes, so let's speed it up. And once it is over, we'll be ready to open MATLAB and run some examples. You will first want to open your Adaptive Rigidification folder inside of MATLAB. Once it is in the root, you'll want to call add adaptive rigidification to path. This will include all of the MATLAB files within this repository in your MATLAB path. You'll then want to call mex adaptive rigidification, which will build a bunch of C++ files that are within this codebase. You can now open the 2D example folder and select any of the examples to run it. Just click on the play button. We can likewise do the same for 3D examples and the 3D example folder. Select any example and click the play button. You are now all set. Feel free to play with all of the examples and maybe even design a new one.